Alright, I'm going to show you today how you can move a VM from a different data store to, let's say you have an SSD data store and a RAID 10, SATA drive store with SATA drives, and you want to move it to your faster array of drives. So what you want to do is make sure is your VM is powered off, and then once you know it's all powered off, then you can go to your storage, click on the data store that has the current VM store in it right now. So you go to the data store browser, and then you're going to go into that folder, and then you just want to click on that folder and hit move. And then it's as simple as selecting our different data store. So we're going to move it from our RAID 10. It's 4 8-terabyte drives in RAID 10, and we're going to move it to our SSD store, which is 4 500 gig Samsung SSDs. So it's going to be a lot faster, especially when it's on RAID 10 as well. So we're going to click on that data store, and all you got to do is hit move, and then you hit close. And then you can see that it's starting to move those files. Once that is complete, I'm going to pause it because it's going to take a little bit because it's about 140 gigs or so. But once that is complete, I'll go ahead and show you the next step. Alright, so once our data store has been successfully moved to our new store, now we can go back to our VM that we moved, and you want to click on it, and we want to remove it from inventory. So go ahead and right click and probably just do unregister. Hit yes, because it's still pointing to the old data store. So once that's removed, then go back to your storage, click into the new data store that you move the files to, and then go to the browser, and you can see our folder is now there. And then you right click on our VM folder and do register VM, and now that's going to register in inventory. So once you do that, hit close, go back to virtual machines, and you can now see our VM is back. And then now we can go ahead and power it on. And let's go ahead and make sure, and yeah, it's going to ask you this. Go ahead and say I moved it. Hit answer. And then let's go ahead and start it up. And there you go. Now you have successfully moved your VM from one data store to the other. And we're going to do another video on how to copy a VM to a whole nother server. And we're going to use something called vCenter. So we'll show you how to do that. Alright, thanks you guys.